Hey friends! Today, I'm here to introduce an awesome course that, if you're working in the field of IT and networking, or even just interested in these topics, you shouldn't miss this video. This course, titled Windows Deployment Services, WDS, on Windows Server, teaches you how to install and deploy Windows on multiple systems simultaneously. The current price of this course is €12. It has around 25,000 students. The course rating is 4 out of 5, which is quite a high rating. The course is 32 minutes, and after signing up, you get completely free and lifetime access. At the end of the course, you will also receive an official completion certificate. How to get this course for free? Now we get to the exciting part. This course is paid, but with a simple method, you can register and access it completely free. Open your browser and search for kuoncenter5.com. Make sure to enter the website address correctly. After entering the site, you'll see many free courses in different categories such as photography and video, personal development, IT and software business. We are looking for the IT and software section. Click on it to display the list of courses. Find the course and click on it. After entering the course page, click the Go to the Course button. You will be redirected to Udemy, and the same course that was previously paid will now be completely free with this coupon. Do not forget that this discount coupon is limited and is only free for the next 4 days. If you're looking to learn new skills, be sure to check out this site and don't forget to like and subscribe.